Hi there, Greg Benoit from Cogiscan here, and I want to talk a little bit about this allocation or component shortage issue that's really crippling our industry right now. Now, we at Cogiscan don't make components, so we can't help you that way, unfortunately, but we do specialize in smart material management solutions that are tailored for the electronics industry. And so I wanted to share a couple of strategies with you that you can use to make sure that you make the absolute best use of the parts that you already do have or that you can get your hands on, so that you don't end up wasting parts and making the problem even worse. So the first strategy I want to recommend is to make sure that you have an inventory management system that tells you precisely where all of your parts are. And I mean not only the parts in your warehouse, but just as importantly, all of the parts on your shop floor also, whether those parts are on a rack next to the line, in one of your automated storage towers, sitting in a kit somewhere, or even loaded on a feeder, either in an offline bank or on the machine. It's really important that you have complete visibility into exactly how much material you already have on the factory floor. Now, this is something that your ERP or your warehouse management system often won't be able to tell you on its own. And if you don't have this information, then you risk ordering the wrong material or scheduling orders incorrectly because your systems think that you have a part shortage when you actually don't. The second strategy is to make sure that you minimize the parts that you're wasting through scrap. And there are a couple of ways of achieving this. One is to make sure that you have a good solution for setup control on your machines, so that you make sure that you prevent operators from loading the wrong parts in the wrong locations, which could cause scrap. And another thing you need to do is to make sure you have a good real-time dashboard that shows you your scrap rate, both for the components themselves and for your products, so that you can see right away when your scrap rates are too high and can take action to lower the scrap rates and save some of this precious material. Now, I just happen to know of a solution that could do all of these things for you. So if you're interested in finding out more about how Cogiscan can help through this difficult period of component allocation, please contact us, and thank you for your time.